Why robotics is getting too much attraction over last 1 year? I think it is a part of revolution, and I have just depicted a small, brief analogy between the four revolutions we had in a human mankind: gold rush, electricity, internet, robotics. Always they started with the basic tools. If you look at San Francisco, even Australia, even Perth, uh, the gold rush happened and people started with the small tools and gravels, and now the mining companies are using very advanced tools, mostly humanless. Electricity started with a small bulb. If I'm not sure people know that, but bulb socket was used to insert power socket as a power socket. So you need to have a bulb to insert, and it was a very basic tool, and it evolved. Now you have car driven by electricity also. Then came internet. Internet also was very basic when it started. People used to have modem, which can't less than 426 Mbps, and now we're talking about uh, 10 GBs, 10 MBs, 10 GB speed. So all have evolved. People start leaving their jobs they were doing. Doctors started going for gold rush. Electricity also same thing happened. Internet, people left their own conventional jobs, get into dot-com buzz, started Amazon, started um, Apple, started Google. Some failed, some passed, and same thing is also in robotics. We are just starting the journey. We have very basic tools. They're evolving. What Automation Anywhere and UiPath were 4 years back, and now what they are is totally different. And they will evolve further. So uh, they all are revolutions because it also helped to build a big ecosystem behind everything. The gold rush helped Perth what it is today, or Melbourne what it is today, what San Francisco is today. It generated a lot of capital. Uh, Electricity, it also generated a big ecosystem. Washing machines, dishwasher, now cars are being running on electricity. So the huge ecosystem is behind making those revolutions where they are today. And internet, we know, like travel, groceries, shopping, stock trading, all are now internet based. You can see the ecosystem it has generated, and what it started and what they are doing now is totally different. And it is also changing the human behavior. Like people don't call each other now, they use Facebook Messenger to interact with each other. So how robotics is playing the role in that? So robotics is a very starting early stage revolution. People, as any revolution will start, they have their own negative views, then they join the party. And we are seeing the same thing. Now they're joining the party. Now the ecosystem is expanding. UiPath, Automation Anywhere, they had two people a year back, now they are 60 plus. So accordingly, we all will grow in the same manner, some less, some more. Uh, Again, the tools are advancing. They are becoming from routine-based processes to repetitive processes, judgment, analytics-based, and then AI-based. It's a journey. And this is how also we grew. Like in 2014, we did our report for ANZ Bank, a research report, a consulting firm, pedigree, then strategy, tool selection, then POCs, basic process, small engagements, then start big engagements. And by doing big engagement, we started making our own mind bots, a pre-script bots, which can be reused by different clients for doing a basic first step in the automation. We launched Mind Uni, CFO, Mind Easy, COE, Mind Support, and now we are launching today data wrangling and data virtualization. And in the future, we'll be launching some products like text products, ERP products, finance products, and analytic-based products. So this is our vision about ourselves, and this is how we are growing. You have seen our tools already, our portfolio, COE, CFO, Mind Easy, Mind Bots, Mind Support, Mind Uni, and you will see more as we grow. So I think we are very positive and very excited in our journey. And when we grow, we have to also acknowledge our limitations. We are a small firm, growing very fast. So we have to engage smarter people, hire smarter people, and also engage companies who know how to manage the growth. So we have partnered with Gartner. Gartner is helping us to guide us how to have sales process. Currently, we don't have sales process. We don't have sales people also. We don't have a strong HR process. We don't have a strong value creation process for our clients beyond certain limit. So all those things we are taking help from the best in the world, Gartner, and we are very hopeful that it will help us to grow much more multiplied impact for our clients also. What we are doing to achieve our visions, we are leveraging technology to make humans smarter. We want to take out that concern that the bots will replace the human. I think they are here to aid human, not replace human. We are investing in human resources. We have Robin, she joined us as head of HR now, a CPO, to help us grow in a much more structured manner. We understand we grew very haphazard when we grew 600% year over year. Now we have to have more structure in place. We have hired Sukalp last year as a CEO from Ernst & Young, a company which I used to work also, and we have a huge respect for all the big fours. They are our competitors, but they also are complementers. We have hired Praveen this year as to expand our products. He was leading ANZ finance in ANZ Bank, one of the leaders in automation, and he'll be today launching data wrangling and data virtualization product. We are co-locating. Our client gave us the feedback, Perth is growing, you have to have an office here. And we were serving Perth market with a lot of marquee clients here without having an office. But now we are investing in this region. We are having an office here. I think it will help us to grow much more faster. And it will also give the clients much more comfort that we are near to them, next to them. We are also bringing the cost of automation down. We are trying to make it much more reasonably, so their business case becomes much more viable for automation. We are launching some vertical specific products, for example, for higher education, for BFSI, for healthcare, and also for mining, as we progress more and deeper with those verticals. We are also launching horizontal specific products for HR, for finance, for procurement, because they are the biggest user of automation currently as per our experience, and if you look at the research. And why we are successful? Because we are always doing research on the contemporary technologies, our RPA research report, our healthcare and AI research report, CP Australia is hosting it. So we keep on doing more and more research because the technologies are evolving very fast. We don't want to provide a consulting service which is based on an obsolete research or obsolete technologies. Today, like we talk about OCR, we have Abby FlexiCapture, we have IQBot, we have Episoft, and we have more tools to come. We are integrating with Azure, we're integrating with AWS, Bluemix. So we are very excited and we are very hopeful that these products will help the client. The research will help the client to grow more faster and scale faster. And also we are focusing on top tier clients. We want to go more deeper. We don't want to spread too thin. So we want to keep on going more deeper in the clients. We want to be their trusted partners and part of their team to meet their KPIs. We are doing continuous training of our team members to make sure they are up to date with the technologies. We are launching new tools like Alteryx, working with Alteryx, data robots, talking to Snowflake computing. So we are very hungry to grow, but with the right tools, which help our clients to achieve their objectives. Of course, we are expanding geographically. Perth is part of Australia, but we are in Dubai now. I'm going to US. There's a lot of demand coming from US and Europe. And in spite of a lot of consulting firms already present there, the clients are approaching us. So we have to be there. Of course, we are punching above our weight, but I think that's what we are known for. And I want to thank everyone for coming today and for this session. I will not take much more of your time, and I would like to invite the next presenter to come and speak. Daniel, our first client, and of course, a huge respect for Daniel. It's a journey. I think we fall somewhere and they hold us. They fall somewhere, we hold them. But I think the latter was the more we fall more than you, because we were also learning the journey with you. And I will not claim that we are the smartest people, but we are very honest people, and we are part of your team to take you forward. Daniel?